In this video, we will show you how to check Chrome version. In here, sometimes we need to check our Chrome version, that sometimes we need to update or not. To check your Chrome version, it's very easy. You need just click this three dot button here and then select help in here and select about Google Chrome. And in here, you can see our Google Chrome is up to date and the version is this, and our Chrome version is 64-bit. With this information, maybe if you need, you can change your Chrome version to another. It's something that you want to do. And to update your Google Chrome browser, if your Chrome is not updated and then you open this page, your Google Chrome browser will update automatically. So don't be worried if you think your Chrome is old. When you connect to the internet and open this page, your Google Chrome will auto update. And if something happen, there is a update button here. Okay, hope this video helpful for you.